of incompetence now want to do politics with teacher strikes. Meanwhile, they refused to settle their arrears when they were in government. NDC should get serious as an alternative opposition party. Well, I know we did a kakre film, but I think it still makes sense. And that is quite straight to the point. Well, I know good morning and Apaiwa Kwatia. You have a quick break, say about Chairman of Mariwadia at Nasi, the Comedy in the Beshisha. So, your family have the name shown here the dialogue. You're streaming it live at YouTube, Net2 TV GH, and have a Facebook, and also Net2 TV GH. And then you have corruption. Niashe teachers are Bibrina if you say NDC for and a share say one more NTNC crew. Say no credit I ever GS and a teacher for teacher training institution and our teachers association if you know where you come up. You try when you bar, you better answer. Some are quite a dialogue. So if I'm a bit name and then the chairman why are they not answer? Send them the kind a World Anti-Corruption Day. Anti-Corruption African, yeah, one thing. I'm not fast at a double salary, which is a boss from last month now. Baby Nasi and say any other issues. Mama will come watch a watching your face. So a teacher for essay one more airport strike. Do you now see NDC for a share? I am pa. NPP Youth SSD one more colorful event so over the weekend at Northern Region. And also Yabek Fahon Kakra. Now for my birthday wishes near the SCR. Kaisu who say high sense say when the bronya don't come in Ashishaso, into high sense bronya don't come in the airport. For high sense, so be our Krumha, and now Mema Obenya, one Munyoma matters. So next starting on the 16th, could see 8th of January 2020. 80 Busumi a woman 16th, Pepe Penomo de Ashishaso. Now, 8th of January, not the track. Only say high sense, so a discipline. No one can say 8 or 8, one more trasso. 80 and chain. Bomodia, and a boy who necessarily and Brennan Dra, which we are going to store in your mouth, or Pesa Woton. Almost in your money in our chest freezers, TV, air conditioners, mobile phones, blender, microwave, and in the kikahun in our high sense. Now, I feel so. One to me, I'm our durable, energy efficient, stylish, and user friendly gadgets. Omunyaman de Uwa, a sweating pa. Chairman of Marua, dear, the Makwaba, Majors. You do Christmas, so now share to Venday.
A jow, a jaddy.
Be
a mere junker,
Brunya, and Kajatuwa, but not for any papa. This says, over per star, and it's one crate nest in term. No woman now so quite cracker, make a window. Uma cracker, or so quite cracker. But Uma protect over protect no call Ligon, and I want to commodity in draw. Not achieve. Anyway, Chairman, yes, so anti-corruption day internationally. Jones, you come about anti-corruption. You say, usually you can't corruption, so you can't anti-corruption. Say you're socket, she said, a catas, shit, I don't know. And no mum, a young tank, once I'm said, catas, shena, a sin. You have no chassis.
That's it. My mentia achieve for ne, I have four. I mean, Kansas City media, net two ne, or man, FM, and a massive opportunity. Na also so for Lawrence that say
or say
the Benja
suffer in Japan
so for me
I the man say nyame ebeyama honorable Ken Japan wa be so for that
wow
now ono so one opportunity ojitu
so for ya kan why
na ebe one there
oh, I don't know dance on here. I can't so hands and go bet me a camper, bet me a can, bet cano creno, or bet cano creno. Sana Mizuna Moyan Zil, and Amazon Pana Moyan San. Or bet canning and there's off for Yakab, so for Canada.
Anyway, that's just a person.
Yes, but I think that sometimes these things happen and you think that it can't happen. Prophecies, Yakopon and Colcher, or to me, Cato. The best say, but to be one above. Sometimes God will also bless you using your enemies. Nipa na mumpe ye no. Nipa na also kawde ko kanti ano be ho ano their mouths. I can cite typical examples in the Bible. Papa Bako Sangopo share come say wo onu nuan we are the smallest among them. na obey kese pa
Joseph
okwa sorry ni nua na mte ya pedom se sa wo obey kese a chen na e koton ya akwa obey kese we so little did they know say baby amo ton na koho no e ho ne Nyankopon konhyere say ababa mu ampasa fam kwa no na kese ti ho no.
Correct.
Sometimes the prophecy will come. It will take ages. Sometimes upon second and third generations. But it comes through.
Yeah.
That man and young one was that crook and the poor better than so forth.
I say chene beche so bad ye bebem. Chairman, in fact theology is here. And they anti-corruption. We not afraid for the heads.
Pressure is
a whole pressure is
and as well Bobby Abano can't and coupon wouldn't know that's
a walk it
all pass it. I felt say all the problems that will come to God straight.
And there's a conveyor.
Oh yes, and the old bumpire and Yankopon where you say when Yankopon Yaman that's all you do is you pray. Yankopon do man who's your Bible no work preaching, work bumpire, who's your Bible.
Is it as easy as you're saying?
Then Yankopon afraid
good.
Who flow one?
Prepare. And no, it's a crowd science.
Nankopon afraid ba. Nda make us minya kan Nankopon afraid me because the hot them there no afraid wa before so be fraud we siesie o. Na wa hye nema gu ho no ma wo so
be
yes. Nankopon quality mi share nipa is in the Bible. Problem bi anka. Any other blessing from any person. Nipakra, me manafu no can so be boa kra no how.
Nah, so also born in return.
What would tell you we me na me man yes we dey be me yes e ma won say me carry campaign me koyi. Radi. We to flow hey. Chama. Nti ye koyi campaign ma no ko tena asro ho no. Me say problem ben wo ho. O say flow kra won fa. And I'm say me. What fra me? I said, my friends are.
But do not need sudden excuses. It's nice.
To me, sometimes you meet the person. Do you have my number? I say, I for the brand anyway. Or very here, I say, I need agility. Maybe the last thing I do is so bad friend and man because me tell you say phone I say you don't know why the person is calling you.
It's part of the work.
You don't know why. And I won't come me catch up and say, I don't know why. But Juma say, if I'm enough for friend, my Juma house that be me done.
Chairman Mario, dear.
Young corruption.
We are corrupt. Are you corrupt?
Me. I'm corrupt. Why?
Since I don't share politics, when you're corrupt.
Me say me nya ben Juma. And my could take a position being I'm there and reach myself. Me de be am come here call ni.
You know how to make done.
I have to look. I just say, and then to the for the neck Juma business there. Then say the man for Jeffrey, but we are still racing and chasing. We want to recapture the old glory. Come back, can see Canterman to sound tata, brewery. We are chasing business. I can see the old Chrome and I think I just say, and the interesting thing is, even at that time. Nipa no maji di business akase na no go school though.
Yeah.
You go no go with that.
Yeah.
Yet
but they had the business mind.
The first asphalt company, asphalt here Ghana was Accra Zone. Accra Zone asphalt no. The friend papa no ko ni, the friend Swedro contractors. Wow. Sukuru no go with that. Now so he was able to set up the largest construction company. The asphalt back Ghana first. So, we know how to. Sometimes they're very risky, and sometimes it's exciting. Meaning, Ken will tell you, making money. Also, no, that's not so that go pesi cannot go pento. That's who we are. So, me dem da, me sunyo mami no da. Sikane talk. What that is awful. So for me, shall be.
That should be an answer for it.
Oh yes, say, say even in the Bible, Yankopon yo a software first Paul. No, so just say he pick people the fishermen the sometimes president president Zakio he pick people tax collectors. This are tax collectors that have no money.
Radical. They say Ghana tax collectors and they won't say. Anyway. Maybe
no corruption.
No make corruption. With the corruption, no make
tax and corruption. With the betum gake. Una
What so who was saying? What the college no do na limiting to your double salary. Some of you say can be a one. E ho na ye hyemra. Nti e ho na double salaries na start here. E was like ye shase ne attack from hono. I home mum ni de no a linger on na be pem say afei citizens in the ebisa say sa asem ni kosi sen when we are in somewhere yet who easily are about out to be documents all over in the public domain yehwe bars branding ni de keka ho yehwe said na de agina court ya one more face and was say bibia ka aban ba so ya nunu atake no easily free ho ne say when you brace who fight corruption
the wheel of justice you say I see train to know the cranka and so speed ni man so be train.
And this do
so I was one of the people and near me capatia the slow pace of prosecuting corrupt officers. But you get to a time. There's here was separation of powers.
Yeah.
I buy you can't buy you were executive, judiciary, and then the legislature. Come out parliament, you know. Parliament the first sembra near the ma buying. I buy soon be a nenya fakoma courts.
Judiciary.
Now can you imagine already? Say you saw on a peninka front page. Akufo-Addo order court to jail.
Own to me order.
Only some powers, you know. Akufo-Addo to me can't check and court to be a lower cost.
Own to me. He can't meddle with the affairs of the judiciary. Share separation of powers. It also comes with constitutionalization. Say, we are one new maudi. It won't to mean free pem and Michelle will be so on your baby. That one idea. But Obi Bisa say, at least judiciary ni legislature ni there. And can Obi to be checking on home. Omo check you on home. It is a bit PM say, for ABC, I just salary me no emrane ekotia. We don't need the president to come and prosecute that issue.
And I make us say the Attorney General can only take them on between the court.
Yes.
But it is for the court. And Nkrofo no more can say no. Almost ka. Lebi amikasa mra etutia ehia for okroma. The fact that Wyoming has money, let me use him because a cock and no the technical because he had the money to employ the best of lawyers who can play with the law and drag and delay and make sure say, but he knows that there no boniesi obetia. To the extent so nisika. I feel that you see a cotton down there because mama time me for some musica. And then you see me no can say about 27 or 28 cases.
28.
Opuni no money we mu nyina go court. But many one go catch a court of was that a mood delay cases. Therefore, so more I say, Opuni workers. And is that okay, Chachu?
Yeah.
Chachu Kata or drag it go for time. 8 years.
Yeah.
Or the way not there to a coffee, no, they are what I mean for why you cry they are international friend the same because he has the money. Obviously, we are appointing and look at one said, then we are common and let them know. Come to appointing a coffee.
Also, no on pen phone. On pen phone, you'll be appointed. A
court, I want this grandfather lawyer, my court rise and pine and that shows over single culture your fellows say 2 years.
Yeah.
And the Dame Cats of Madame for Nigeria, and they say, you can answer, I don't understand. I say, why? I say, you like doing small things. And I'm saying, oh, we have to manage with this. I say, cut your coat according to yourself. I say, there be. I know I can't say, I just say, Papa Mumbet. I say, if you go still coach, you go to court. Judge will give you 4 years, 2 years. If you go do Yahoo, and you get 2 million, you go buy several goats. That one too, if you go, if they catch you, go to court, they give you 2 years. Why waste your time stealing goats?
Logically makes sense, but in real life,
and American say, I just papa there, make doesn't just a boss. Okay, we are pointing out the local court near Chilwa. Mr. Ugo, we are near Chilwa. Emma 2 years. Okay, Yahoo, 419 is a Chilwa. We are in Chilwa when you're 2 million, 5 million, $10 million. They'll pay you to me the year. Your children for 2 years. So why waste your time? I don't know because that year.
We are pointing.
We are pointing. You can use what we are in the market. It is a sad situation though, but this is about life. Let me come back to your friend is saying corruption. And have me be brave because going into the next elections, can metimi nyaya senka nipa okota mabensi kakoye Bas Brandon. Anka sa tell me anka ojina baby eso ojina. She wouldn't get that opportunity to go and be sorting, and I say sorting. Let me use that. Papa, what do Papa
voter chiefs, some they don't. He's on his own. It's on the papers, and then Papa Vinicran also no Johnny Osha or no their president. But I think it's part of our democracy.
When you're democracy, that's now. San Nigeria fought some of their own Boko Haram, the Boko one yefe, Boko one yefe, who are Boko I take you over in
the northern sector, yeah.
No, I won't take you over, but they are messing the Nigerians up. We don't have to encourage and detain. No matter his age, who penny said, why you need years, a man who's why you need ye. We don't have to more him. So why you need ye.
But near American is okay. Say, yeah, former states and I former on Maya. One of the history chairs say secessionists and so to me, Obama to me, for me. And so much I say, history chairs say, yes, now you pursue. Maybe worry, he said, over NDC 2 and Mahama NDC, over Tamils and Mahama NDC, they never emerged. We didn't hear a single.
The first meeting was held in. was in Bas Brandon sent me to me. The first meeting, 2017.
Yeah.
After the
yes.
And then of course the Oswam Pofoka destabilizing creating insecurity. Now for the Aba Alajo bomb boy any 2 years and a month will be a court almost. Then you know what they were up to. You see, I know by the grace of God,
yeah.
They have failed in all. Akabako, yes, one. We are still monitoring. And that will be.
You want to monitor?
Yes, oh, yes.
It's about
Bakuba. And let them keep doing. And one day, it's so change they are abandoning now. Do them among Cosson. But and Camede, maybe I can't end this for no. No, ya dos or too much. Negativity, no. Ya dos.
Who say negativity and now one more putting government on its toes.
When somebody or be per se or bring democracy in Nigeria to democracy per se kosoro. What your manifesto? Miss Macho, ye be ya no. Ufre putting me on my toes. Ya be SHS, I'm college in school. Who's in no? Ya be National Health Insurance. I'm at me or ya at me access hospital. Who's in no? Yeah, but just every good thing that we try to introduce, no. Why NDC will come out the first no. No. I had those and you listen there, meaning the Biamekasa utie negative near man, one kasa.
You become a
negative person.
You become affected negatively.
And to say certain radio stations be over, Ninkasa am not the moon who's a radio 30. It means you'll be no Casam so no problem. That radio station out is microphone out here. If you don't stop, a bit muscle. Because you cannot see anything good. You cannot reasoning cry become a problem for you. And then I'm a power sorry crying, you catch all the front up negative news person be here. Good. Because on the front page, every day. abamubuo niema nkoa no mo cho.
As media house, they have the choice to also pick and choose the topics. We are all part of agenda setters. Yes, setting agenda. Or no best setting a negative agenda. To me,
and then ya bro no. Setting a negative agenda. What did you say, Buman? One person now can see they set up the agenda, but you set a negative agenda. Now me hear a TV radio be. Omu timiko kromuko bisa ankrofo interview. And interestingly, part 5 for amu tape one boy na amu say yentu aba. Me say how can? Then it becomes a topic and they are discussing, and people are not they are not going to vote, and they say, "We know what you are doing." Yes, central for inform, educate, and entertain. But that when you set up a negative agenda to inform misinformation.
Who proves what's an misinformation?
That is what I'm telling you, and it has a huge because. And now they're bad. They say graphical. They say police pick up. To somebody,
and the best caption. But until you say bad news sells.
So why?
So for sure, 20 people. Ube bisa wholesale. Why say president? No man than Rwanda. Bad news no because the radio so can Rwanda. We are over 2 million people. Because a person in radio station like Kosovo. You were going to say something. Na me bisa say.
Say Enra president.
Yeah,
Eco commission. Your friend Eco commission car power.
Yeah.
This is the main newspaper front page, daily graphic.
And it's nowhere on the front page.
Nothing there. Hello, police. You wonder.
But let me be honest.
But these are people who are paid by government.
Of course, and they get very big.
Platform business can even in opposition, they are captured. They are two front page daily graphic. They know what they are up to.
No.
They know what they are up to.
Some maybe can come to income because already the direction on their head and me come in there now.
No, me feel say we are in a building nation. A man here building. Now, so perceive a building man koya nima. Who's me start me say people even when they were in power were thinking negative. And they in opposition keep repeating negative things. And that is not good for Yang or my Ghana where we want to go.
But or no in opposition, won't mean on your own in your year. The main aim is to get power from
or what power po. You can't say a better free SHS or say you're possible.
When I say possible.
And this is for Tom Mahama. And because of that, no, yes, I know. Our followers negative minded people. What the start monitoring. And if you are their follower too, you begin to check what you do and how you do what you do.
Followers,
they've all turned negative, speak negative. What do you afraid to say? And you, mother. What you have to move in the bus? My cousin just offer me this. We can go point out.
I'm ready to do. I said they would want to.
The other one no canon Bible no canon. The other one no canon. I said out of the band, out of they go akuma mu ne pie wa no.
Out of the band, so they had the mass speaker.
Nti o na tra ne di o machi ne follow me. De bia me tufo. Na oyieye no e wo wankasa wonsam. You determine, you decide what you want. The person you know, the obey no, and then obey you. The obey you also, and now wo na decide. Obi o wa, de bia wo kan your friend say books here, motivational speakers. And then baby amutre mo ye your friend say Muslim YouTube. O wa, obetimi anya kwa me Nkrumah speeches. Obetimi anya
encouraging
and then I call me beside me say, who is the richest young Ghanaian you know? No go. No akọhwe. And then no you train them and prepare them and then you make them know see even at their age.
They can
also sano obi adru ho no mo oso
bibi.
Na akwala bet me we. Akwala bon wa akwala makuchi. So you are good and so akwala nti say so no chairman no the say akwala
say next topic so. And teacher training teacher
for na sem no. Onim. Me da bia meka me se me ma me teacher ni me ma me ne nuanom be ensa ene teacher for hu oko obi fi a most of the family members are teacher for oko obi a soldier for na door hoso ebi o ha police for ebi o ha central for because of me fi me nuanom name teacher so when it comes to teacher sema it comes to me direct and it will be out doing into the future you will be out care about the future generation now you know say and kwala Ghana de bia me kan ye lord kwan do do e be ye se de quota na se de a friend say gold be ye lord kwan that does not determine the kind of future we have the better future na ye kwala ye wo mo no now teacher for and na hwen kwala oba wo na can tell you teacher need spend more time with oba than yourself
true
and a power sorry ya no adwa no man dey no that teacher on teacher be giran wo sa ko se
3, 4, 5, yeah.
Over Papa could do fear no. No, did the other matter. So the teacher need by Yakolano and the bachelor Colana Dachi.
No correct.
And teacher for they are very important vessels for the future
development, yeah.
Now, teacher for SOMOCO strike. At this time, I can't now treat me in Colai, Amakwan.
Yeah. Yes, it be quite exams.
Teacher force almost strike.
And they are calling all. And no name, you know. And yes, they are good. And it's sorry, Tewu, and it's just all. And I make us say, Mitier, and I meet you PRO. And I was so sad. Yeah. The Mitier, and I know can so bois, or say, I bind that down noir. Omo a person mo san ba no sa ban no omo the policy bi ba ya say we teacher din ye for adwumam na so ko sade a fimfie mienu mfie miensa edu time ya normalize o document we betua o kana ye hwe ye betua aban so betua 3 months yeah no say and 3 months I public omo policy no nga le mo teacher for bi san edi omachi teacher for pa bi san ko bi omachi ana na na dan kwa agufo adubai e dey na sie e say mahama se ne policy ne say wo tia de mfie mienu ani atwa 3 months na say debi ye buga na ni sabe kwa siasa enti mudada maria zina ye nkotwa emam me no ka say I'm going there's about 120,000 and na a folly in that category and na almost share says omutua na omutua no mu no and omu hu say ebinom papers no nsisi ani or the paper back say an appointment promotion but over office wo no na eni ho obi also a teacher more promotional style ranks what's that there for 10 years a promoted to principal deputy that din nyina wo ho obi lo better ade ni fie mienu ni amana promotion akotwa ne seniors enunti na mo feel say you politically minded and not politically minded but something possibly went wrong. Either say obi ana so promotion no hu ni ye and as promotion no we are not talking about politics but they normalize them formal they making sure say we don't pay people who don't work and to look say out of the 120 people no 80 something have been paid but they are calling na young kuhwemo young correct no ye eno no maduru ho amuko shia isi jama 2 weeks ago. And then look at say or some essential. Yeah. And then me kind graphic front page say legacy arrears no class on the publicity benefit we should no be there. Of course they should. Me the message teacher for in the interest of Ghana, your dachi. I'm not talking about me and our party. Young Kwala and dachi. I'm going to exams.
The time ya man kola na better exams no.
And you say
a demonstration. You strike.
It's a now
out of the 120, you hear over 75%. Definitely a bad news. Because I see what party. Now party no, there are 120 tables. You have serve yourself buffet. You have flat table 1, normal kosala, normal table 2, you have table 10, table 20, you have table 80, up to 100. Let's start 7 quite a bad news. If you 85, who are so near the
what trying to do 85?
A bedroom teacher. A bet so the munquia there. A bedroom so. Papa no pemu or say. And go back policy down with it and this is for the ban.
But that policy wasn't the best. No,
that's what I'm saying. And so,
but yet it was working and they were okay.
That's what I'm saying. Go buy no pa. Go back to me again. But
policy were on and yet. Nani pana complaining. I didn't know be any no more complaining.
Well, a teacher for.
But I mean, messages let me know.
But your best a buyer chassis will be unquanded. Diakano, Musabeka. And I say teacher for in and Omuajim because
Omunina from where I feel no one fresh will be unfun.
Binomo. But the good thing is people are also reading between the lines.
Yeah.
And then realizing say and I'm here rather than I see I'm oh, I don't know. Was naturally also be
build up.
But when you go and sit on radio or TV and shout, so there's something wrong. There's some kind of diabolics.
Almost rented crowd, and I
No, well, but me come. I'm talking about the future of our children. I am talking about what we can do. Kakra de betum, kakra de betum. Abani betuauka. Nti o jiri so ko trafie ni wan ko suku an ko hwe nkola e mama antu exams na fa e tira ban economize na oju sika no. I mean, have you helped our generation?
But my question is, would they prefer say Aban Beko back to under John Mahama policy now? Why now say me 3 months per dia can na shegu. So penesa, I think government should understand that.
Man be where you din no man kasa cop NDC for no. Me can say NDC. Your friends NDC for.
Oh, but my callers have said it and I have
me say obi amwa na say there to go mu ka kire nkrofo say dey we the NDC for we kire. Na me kasa. They
have a mind of
they have a mind of their own. They can think and reason.
So would you disagree? Say opposition.
Opposition forces them to me BBR. But say na men can you say one now say you know what to me kako fact say MPP forces here share
or draw attention to something.
Yesterday I was on another platform with somebody was say I didn't cry but there are other issues in I'm saying there to PR na be kasa sem e wo has say no tie cause they be that's the whole kind of project say I'm passing be out actually.
Okay.
Me the message teacher for yeah my Ghana yan dia broni ma me my yan dia duro no the middle income status. We have to work our way out.
Yeah.
Yeah, to me and answer ho am ya nya de sese ya I can tell you nobody can do it for us. Into best them. Aban se what masem no. Odemo act let's one can say onemo nsia onemo atnase onemo ka. So if you can abandon that even though the leadership somewhere are calling for some strike, you go and help the children. The blessing can only assist for the good thing is buying cars would be also be binomo abediasa as abediakron say abediasa obedient truly problem or hosa who did the problem better at Makofra. It will be resolved and Katia to me to me the Senate the Apollo
Chairman so Oshe Aban so far Wama President Chese Utie Nipa and Utie Nimanfo. Maybe they just ended referendum of a good sign. So Bia feels say enko ye into one train sign or sign. There are several others like that. Is this teacher issue going to be another incident? Aban Beka say, okay, my team applied, my humbi, so I'm going on the table with you to resolve it.
As a matter of fact, Aban at your mudada. Aban enormous leadership at Nasi. just about a week or so ago. Almost trans no more discussing. And then young way, call ya no call from so in this other call demonstration, you call strike.
So into no more
as at today, call strike and I bank they were supposed to meet again not today, but because you could declare strike, you know. I buy some from my neck, meeting.
Okay.
And we are hoping by the end of the meeting.
Well. Let's see what the press will carry out after the meeting. Make our messages take a crack. YouTube, let's send a message near Facebook and so when your messages not send your money can be a mouth. Or say Ghana's next president is already occupying the office. 4 more years for Nana is heavenly certified and no mortal can stop it. Citizen Francis, Odi Ubebi, Odi Feka, Kabeme Depa. I really love to know where you're coming. From Odoye in Tema, the NDC members have decided to attack all the intellectual and influential personalities in NPP party, but they forget themselves bringing out their running mate and manifesto, NDC opposition forever. My regards to Ernest Yao Kumi. Abedianim, please, we need some entertainment. We want to see state looters being brought to book. Where is our stolen money with Weyome and his looting brigadiers? Atugati. We have to be careful. Well, Maminka also say your birthday celebrants and I pay your best celebrity one. The whole Ghana, I think the young Kwani, your celebrity, your viewers. And to all birthday wishes we are so the celebrity surprising. Your Baba so some more corruption, nothing are they preaching. And to your Baba so remember 5 minutes because why is it still time? Now after all the Nippon phone back when I'm you be ascending or WhatsApp. So number near 0240-550-899 0240-550-899. After so bet me the sending birthday wishes at Net2 TV GH. Birthday wishes at Net2 TV GH. And also, Yansabe Kanya Yehojuma, Neya Edia Tujama. But make sure say at least 24 hours before time. Neya Kwang Etumia Yehojuma Kama. Ushe the Ebe Ya Yehojuma and Edia Tuso. And I pay your best celebrity, your birthday celebrants for this morning. Happy birthday, Nkoma Lillian Joy Mingo. Happy birthday to you, Lillian Joy Mingo, from all your friends, study mates, Faculty of Law. Gimba, Lillian, especially Upper Life say. Happy birthday to you, Kwesi Ajebin Ahinkra. Yes, we are body. Kwesi Ajebin Ahinkra and come out. Happy birthday. We me and me de sendo. I hope you are doing and enjoying to the fullest. We are Managing Director, Plus Energy Limited. Kwasi Ajabin. Happy birthday, Enko Mao. Sandra Bempon, East London, East Legon, East London, and Udi Free. Jidi say, oh, enjoy our one power London. Say, easy, sir. Well, Chairman, also,
corruption.
Obeka corruption is a crane earlier trust.
Only the corruption to me, or mine. Oped say, oh, the corruption, ayo maya, kai, abaya at Tremukono. Aye, NDC abaya at Tremukono. Time and no more honor. The corruption at him your mind. So kaya, because Omukrama was yes, I was a gunner for your entire Yankayasem. But open so who the corruption
or say Ghana for your free. Sorry, and now Yankayasem.
I say yeah, free. Ninesi wa onkayasem and Ninesiwa.
Okay.
Now say Ubekai say near Sissy Kenny Ho. Until teacher for I was school near Muka. Nurse for I was school near Sissy Kenny Ho. Until near Muka. That is what corruption can do. Obekai say you can say free SHS a possible our Ghana and no more advert. Bebre say Ghana and you possible that say you buy free SHS.
Yaman Kolaku
school for free. I did free. Or say Kenny ho. The here I'm first can they buy. That is what corruption does.
Oh.
Say silly corruption now. You open enough money. And the teacher for the school for no can. And the nurse for no school worker. And the free SH. A buying spend or free SH. You know, can say nearly 1,000 schools. I mean, expansion, cost war, several just to remove
absorb all
the
green and the yellow.
Green and the yellow. And I say double track. And I buy it in Jessica. So silly corruption. You are buying 80 million. Corruption and not corruption. And can buy a Wusika. Yeah, can't tax man or Krumha once. GI for once. It's me who I gave you. Now, but you don't know what to do. Because you don't have that authority. Exactly. But it is bad. It is eating us up.
Tell me your experience with any GRA office. Member ABIA. Tell me, be honest and candid.
Obisa Obia Upia tax for Kroma. This year, o tax Utia. Pia tax. Few of us are able to resist. Or say 1,000. We receive the way. You don't know 500 the actual receipt in this one.
Wow. Me wa 1,000. And all that money. You know, now it makes sense. Ubeko GRA ko tax, right? Or no ma receipt. Fanese wa could do fie so ato receipt na for ayira na bibi. Wo hia dia ko file document bi. Wo ba ono beka GRA no was hold possession of a copy of your receipt. Transaction on wire. Obeka cho say wo ko hwew de ne bra. Truly no oni bi no de amount. But kakakra menim say receipt no. Wo try bo ho 3. Wo ma client and a customer ne baako. Na wo wa keep baako. E de baako akoma nipa adwuma ne ne dia na for auditing and whatever purpose you have to for records. It's a GRA person chain say utua tax ni we are. Receipt no won kwa wo dia na wo troma. It's when ya wo dia. I just say send tua bio. You better try and make this very topic another day.
Something that to the beer, sir, and that's principle. I think says a see Timiko Peba. We don't necessarily have to use ANAS, but we must recruit say National
Mystery shoppers.
NAPCOFU and I say National Security Force, and then send them out there with to go and take evidence of what we are talking about. Once people get to know, say Saturday way cost. Everybody will set up and let's see how much money government will make to make sure see a road projects are started this year 2020 no
yeah you better many account GRA who some way extensively say some I have obia if I'm be the name show near the dialogue so share the dialogue 10 to 11 p.m. and nanadri but kwakwanan edit the seat ebebro 8 to 10 next TV so na kai so say the national agenda bro right after this. Kai said 13th of December, Net 2 TV bro, yeah, carol service studio hanum na empenifo ekukuda mi beba abe share na yakin kai 9 lessons at the amount na yeah the present king kwa and na eba na ono mo and the Christmas carols media Christmas with papa because mami kai me mo fabric Christmas me ni ho agro I share Net 2 TV na so able to share with YouTube Net 2 TV GH and na Facebook Net 2 TV GH. Your family be the name show near the dialogue. Nyami Shrao na Nyami Shra Ghana.